Hi, my name is Jason Schleifer from Griptape, and I'd like to show you an integration that we've done with Shotgrid that allows you to automatically generate thumbnails for assets, either by manually choosing them from the action menu item or automatically on asset creation. Let's take a look at the results. Here you can see I've got a bunch of assets in my project, and one of those is a kiwi bird which has no thumbnail. I can click with the right mouse button and choose Griptape Generate Thumbnail, and this is going to automatically generate a thumbnail for the asset using an application that I've created and I'm hosting in the Griptape cloud. Once the application is run and I reload my screen, you'll notice that I've got a nice new kiwi bird thumbnail right here ready for my asset. Let's take a look at what's happening under the hood. In my Griptape cloud account, I've got a number of different applications I've created to do a whole bunch of different things. One of those, though, is this Shotgrid thumbnail application that just pings the Shotgrid API and allows me to do things like get information about assets, upload thumbnails, create descriptions, and all sorts of things. This particular application uses a Griptape workflow where, when given an asset ID, we'll then query Shotgrid for information about that particular asset, use a large language model to generate a prompt for an image creation model, create a thumbnail image, and then use that Shotgrid tool again to upload the thumbnail back to Shotgrid. Let's take a look at another way that we can generate thumbnails for assets. You saw me do the one for the kiwi bird by choosing right mouse button, Griptape Generate Thumbnail. This is using what's called an action menu item inside Shotgrid. But we could also do this based off of events like asset creation. I have a spreadsheet here of a bunch of different assets I'd like to create. What I'd like to have happen is have all of these assets get thumbnails generated automatically. That can happen with these webhook events. I'm just going to go ahead and select all of these and copy them. I'll jump back over to Shotgrid and choose Add Asset. Then I'll choose Bulk Import, paste those values directly in, finish an import, and then take a look at the resulting page. Here you can see all of these new assets that have been created, but none of them have thumbnails. Let's take a look at what's happening at Griptape behind the scenes. If I go look at the runs for my Shotgrid thumbnails project, you can see a bunch of new runs that have already been created. Let's take a look at one of the events for one of those items coming back from Shotgrid. Here you can see what was sent over, which is the selected ID of the asset that was created. And then each of the steps tell me information about what happens. First, it tells me the workflow is going to update thumbnails for that asset. It then uses the Shotgrid API to get the name and the description and the type, which is this step right here. Here you can see that information coming back. We then have a task that says create a prompt for an image generation model to create a rough gestural pencil sketch given the asset. Here's the information coming right back. So this is this task right here. Then we generate the image. And then finally, we upload the asset back to Shotgrid. When I go back to Shotgrid and reload, here you can see all of the assets that have started coming back. The cat, the donkey, the kiwi bird, which we did earlier, a horse, even some fruit. The nice thing about this is it's very easy to set up and it's all running in Griptape Cloud. Thanks very much for watching.